Are you tired of cluttered contact lists? Or maybe you just need a fresh start? In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all contacts on your Android phone quickly and efficiently. Whether you're doing a phone reset or just organizing your life, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. The simplest way to delete contacts is by using Google Contacts app. Open the Contacts app on your Android phone. Tap the Contacts tab if you are not already there. Keep your finger on one of the contacts. That contact will be selected. Now you see that a 3-menu button has appeared on top. Tap the menu icon. Look for the option labeled Select All. All the contacts have been selected. Tap Delete and confirm the action. This will erase all contacts, but please remember that all contacts will go to the trash of the app. So if you want to restore them, you can do that. Depending on your number of contacts, this could take a while. Let me fast forward the delete. Now, let me permanently delete the contacts. Tap on Organize, now tap on Trash. You see here all of the contacts I deleted. If you want to delete for sure, the contacts tap on Empty Trash now. All contacts will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. You deleted all contacts on your Android phone. Whether you're starting fresh or organizing your digital life, these steps will help you do it effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a question or another topic you'd like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.